have you ever wondered if you can have more than one life insurance policy? I'm going to answer this, and not just as a life insurance advisor. Guys, you're supposed to have more than one life insurance policy because they have different usages, right? You should not have one policy that covers everything. That will immediately let me know that you are spending money or you're underinsured. Okay, if you're a homeowner, you should have a life insurance policy that will be able to take care of the mortgage if you died too soon without paying it off, so your family would not be without a home. If you know you're gonna need funeral expenses for, you should have a policy for your funeral expenses. That should be on a permanent vehicle, right? The mortgage protection could be on either a term or permanent. If you are taking care of people or children, you should have a policy for just income replacement, okay? So that can be a much larger policy, all right? You should have a policy on yourself if you develop, if you have cancer, or cancer policy. You should have policies on yourself for disability. Like, there should be no reason that there's one policy on, there should be not just one policy. And that's not just because I sell policies, just because it doesn't make sense to have just one policy for everything, okay? So if you need help, breaking this down and understanding what else is out there, please tap me, DM me, let me know. But you definitely should have multiple policies. I think I got one for my mortgage, one for my wife if something happens to me, and the children, one a permanent, one if I develop cancer or have any chronic, critical, or terminal illness, one just because it was COVID and it scared me half to death, so I just got extra insurance. One, actually got another policy for if something happens to me for my mom, like it pays my mom. Like, guys, you should, if you can afford it, you should be heavily insured, because that's one thing that's not going to, that's not a mystery. So yes, multiple policies, good thing. Tap me if you need me. Peace.